Welcome back to True Nation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate.
Yay! For all those
I
wrestling
always
fans
have like
out
the knife
there.
in there, like ready to like do it, and I'm like, oh yeah, I have to show what I have.
Kim looks
Okay.
pretty Christmassy compared to me. I'm wearing the gray. We're both wearing gray and black, kind of, but mine's my normal
That's
work
true.
outfit.
Okay.
A boring one.
I opened it up, and it looks like that. And then of course it says spoiler alert on the other side of this card.
Wait, you should get back to me. So I can make a
Okay,
spoiler
'cause
alert.
sometimes we can't.
If you don't
tell
know,
who
I'll have the
person
answer.
is. Okay, so first thing I'm pulling out, I am the champion, IWGP. Like,
It's your husband's like one of his favorite
I know.
wrestlers.
I was like, I would think it'd be Cody because of like
it
the way
is Cody.
the way he looks.
And she
but-
was a point. It's Cody. I'm the champion Cody t-shirt.
Yeah, I was like, it looks like Cody. It just looks a little different, but okay. And then let's see. He's like, oh, how cute! So that's Young Bucks, Matt and Nick,
Cartoon
Aww.
style.
Cute, 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 cute. I'm just gonna like hide that for myself right now. Okay, and then let's see, the little pin, Fallen Angel. Isn't that Kenny Omega? No.
Christopher Daniels.
Christopher
pin.
Daniel, yeah, that's right. Okay. I was like, what is Kenny's called in his move? It's not
Well,
that.
two out of 3
one
points.
One winged angel, I think. Yeah, there's that. Okay.
2 and
then,
3. 2 and 3, Kim.
Okada, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so 3 out of 4 is
Well, it has a,
how do you say it? Kazuchika?
I don't know. I just know
Okada?
Yeah.
Micro
Brawler,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cute.
And then I guess I'll do the video since it's right here. And then Boone the Bounty Hunter. You can run, but you can't hide. Does that have AJ in it or something? No. Let's see.
I can't remember. I know there's some movie that came out that I want to watch that, like, I don't think it's that one though, but has like wrestlers in it.
Yeah,
We should all watch it
I'm
together
sure,
though. When you watch it, I want to watch it. If you watch it.
I don't know. Anyway, I was like, I thought that looked like AJ Styles, but I don't know who that is off the top of my head. Looking at him. Anyway,
This next one should be cute.
I'll do the little tiny thing first. Let's see what this is. Oh,
It's an elite holiday tree ornament.
oh yay!
Isn't that cute? That's what I was saying. Like the next one's gonna be
I know.
cute.
And I was telling
don't know if it'd be
Edith that like
glass
I
or
only have mainly like bulbs on my tree. I don't have like any other
anything
type
unique. So
of ornaments. Oh, that's so cool. Uh-oh, is it missing a? Do you think the wood's supposed to look like that?
it's both on both sides. I'm assuming yes. I mean, I
See
mean,
how on these sides it's...
no, I know, but maybe I don't know.
It's cute.
Maybe it got damaged during shipping. I don't know.
Oh, it did. Just like the little pieces right there.
Oh,
And then it has like the little...
that's just like the hook, I hope, or something to go. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for.
Yeah, it has, it has a little... I don't know if you guys can see it, the little straw thing, the hook thing. The rope or whatever. But the little pieces in the back are a little bit like different colored than they're supposed to be because it broke off the little pieces. But that is quite all right.
And she just got one more thing, I think. So
Okay,
maybe
with
done
that.
everything else on here. So.
Oh, hanging string included. That's what you call it. It should be like a hangman page string. Haha, no. Yeah, that's the little piece that broke off though. I don't know if you can see it's tiny. Little piece.
I want to see if you can guess the next person, or I don't know if it
I should
tells you.
glue-
It might tell you who it is. I don't know.
Goes back on. I think usually it just has like a signature in. Isn't that, what's his name? Oh, don't tell me. Hang on. Zack Ryder?
Yay!
I'm like,
So you knew almost everything in
I
this
was all,
box.
don't tell me.
Pretty much, I think, yeah. Awesome.
I mean,
Good job.
He's okay, so.
She does way more than me. But that was it for this video. This box was not the one that was late, right? This is the regular
Yeah, no, this
like
came
December-
yesterday.
December,
so this came,
right?
yeah, this came on
December
time.
one. We still haven't put a video up for this other one, I think, yet. We're still behind on that. We do our videos all out of order. But this one costs, what, $30 a month? That's what I was trying to get at.
I think so off the top of my head. Maybe like
If
27
it's anything
or something.
crazier, higher, or way lower, we'll let you guys know. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for being pretty quick for the most part, even though Kim was taking a while with that ornament. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're going to do another one at 200 subscribers. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.